Hi, my name's Chi, and I'll be showing you how to make a spinner for EPL's Cardboard Carnival. A finished spinner should look like this. For a single spinner, you'll need 1 plastic straw, 2 large popsicle sticks, a hot glue gun, a pair of scissors, and a thin wooden dowel or toothpick. Cut 3 tips off the popsicle sticks. They should be about 1 inch long, but more importantly, they should all be about the same size. Hot glue the flat end of your popsicle stick tips. Quickly hold the stick parallel to your straw before the glue cools. Hold it there for 30 seconds to a minute. You may need to reapply glue, and that's okay. Do this 3 more times, spacing the sticks out like the thirds of a pie. Once they've stuck to the straw, leave about 1 centimeter of length on both sides, then cut. Insert the wooden stick through the straw, and flick. You now have a completed spinner. Spin. Yay! Flick. And you're all set. You've made a spinner.